also go by the name The Glamour. I'm a pro wrestler from the UK and I make YouTube videos. Today's video is going to be a bow and tee Megan Grubb Valentine's edit haul. I'm going to try it all on, give you guys a review on the fabric, the material, the fit. This is actually some of the stuff I got from the red colors, which I absolutely adored. I think the color, well, I didn't mean to wear red lipstick today for this video, but I just so happened to be wearing red lipstick. I think it's such a lovely color to wear. I think it looks really nice on clothes. And the Valentine's collection really got me because I love pink. It's one of my favorite colors and I do love red on. So for me, the Valentine's collection really just, it took me out. Oh Polly and Bow and T just teamed up and took me out. So I did put money to the side to save up for some of this stuff because I really did want it. I was a little bit about the price because some of it was, in my opinion, a little bit overpriced. That being said, quality gym wear from Nike, for example, is really expensive. I don't actually buy from Nike very often. I used to. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what my budget was back in the day. I don't normally buy from Nike anymore because I think it's really expensive. That being said, you do want good quality gym wear, and sometimes if I see gym leggings for like £20, I cringe because I know they're going to be see-through or rip, or sports bras, they're just not going to do anything for you. For me, I'm curious to see what the materials like, how the quality is, how it holds up. The shapes and the cuts are absolutely beautiful. I am really excited about it. I would say it was just a little bit more expensive than I anticipated. And also just another tip for you guys before we do jump into the haul. I actually watched Megan's vlog that she did before the clothes came out, and she gave some advice about the sizes. So if you haven't bought them yet and you're looking to, she's got an amazing figure. She's really got strong legs and she wore an extra small. So I was gonna get a small and then I saw she was in an extra small and I was like, okay, so size down on the leggings and the shorts is what she said. So I'll be curious to try them on. And also just another tip if you are looking to get any future collections, Oh Polly and Bow and T are doing this new thing where you sign up for early release. Make sure you do it because so far they've only released one drop, and early release it's the same stock as the next day when it does come out. So a lot of things might already be gone. What I got from the Valentine's collection and the Bow and T collection I actually got on the early release. So I definitely do recommend signing up for that. Be sure to subscribe, turn on those notifications if you do want to see more hauls. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. The first thing that I got is this absolutely gorgeous red v-neck bra. Now the red color is so pretty. I love it because it's got a warmth to it and I think it's gonna look so nice on. I think red is such a beautiful color. It suits literally everyone. I went for a size small in the tops. I'm an 8/10. I'm normally a 10 in like corsets or anything tight. I went for a 10 to be safe because I'd rather it was kind of sitting than be really tight and cutting me up. And then I went for an extra small in all the bottoms and then a small in the tracksuits, but I will go through it as I show each item. It's this beautiful v-neck bra and it says Bow and T at the bottom, but it's actually really tight here. So the rib section becomes really close. It's a little bit tighter and thicker here and structured at the bottom. It's all lined really nicely too. It's not see-through at all, but she did say the cream was see-through, so I didn't go for it. To be honest with you, I wasn't really interested in too much stuff from the cream section. I only got a few items to mix match with the pink because I wanted to look like a licorice all sort. Other than that, I didn't get any of the bottoms or anything because she said they were see-through, so I was like, okay. And like for me, cream felt a little bit boring. Sorry, it's just my opinion. But yeah, it's this beautiful v-neck. They did actually do a square sports bra. I way prefer this cut. I love racer back, and then I just think the V cut is just so flattering. I think it really shows your shoulders and stuff really nicely too. That's why I went for this, because I just think the cut of it is absolutely gorgeous. And then it is actually padded and structured too, which is always a plus. I don't know how people wear sports bras that aren't lined. I bought one of the, I think it was the cream square top, and I'm really worried. I think I'm gonna have to wear another sports bra underneath it because if you do have big boobs, you know, you just can't be going in the gym without a structured bra. I'm sorry, but it's just painful. So I absolutely love that it's padded, and then it does have these little holes, which I don't know about you guys, but whenever I wash my stuff it just goes missing and I'm like, where is it? Where is it gone? So I might take it out before I wash it, hand wash them separately maybe. But yeah, really nicely made and put together. The next thing that I got are the leggings, and I did go for an extra small. I'm looking at this waist, panicking. I think it will fit me though. I am actually on a calorific deficit right now, so I am leaning out a little bit. So the first thing I can see here is actually a loose thread, right? These were freaking, I want to say like 50-60 quid. They were expensive, so it's fine, I can cut it off, but that's just a little bit For the price, that's not what you would expect to see. The back of it is really nice because it does have detailing that's really flattering and will make your butt look good. Front just again has the really sweet bow and T logo. It's the closer rib section. It's a little bit thicker. It's obviously tighter because it is elasticated. And then the bottom of them also has a little elasticated section, which is cool. They don't just kind of go off into nothing. All in all, they're structured really nicely. I'm curious about this size situation. I'm also nervous because all of the leggings completely went. So if I do need to exchange this for a bigger size, I'm going to be screwed. But what she basically said was it's going to bunch up in the crotch section. I do kind of see what she means, so hopefully this will all be good. It is really stretchy, I will say that, and also inside is really soft, like an extra fabric lining inside that makes it super soft. The next thing that I got is the long sleeve. I thought it'd be really nice to wear the full set. For working out, I love long sleeves because I always used to wear them for wrestling training, but the one thing I will say is sometimes they can be so uncomfortable. So I'm really praying that these are super comfy because these could be a real staple piece for me because I just do love a long sleeve. I feel so comfy in them. This is kind of what it looks like. So it's very nicely put together, and obviously it's got the elastic at the cuff, which is really nice. All very nicely lined and super stretchy, so gonna be easy to get that over your head, which is always a pro. I mean, you're going to the gym anyway, so who cares? It's not like you're gonna get makeup on it, but it's always nice when you can get something on and off nicely. It's nice and stretchy here, and then it does have a slight V detailing just kind of here, which is cool. It's obviously got the bow and T logo. I went for a small. The next thing that I got are the socks. I just couldn't resist. I really wanted the full set. They had little treats, which was face mask and socks, and I really wanted the full set. So I got the socks and I got a 5 to 9. I am a UK 5, so I'm a bit worried they might be big, but I'd rather they were a little bit bigger than smaller, do you know what I mean? Yeah, they're just these really cute socks. I love it when they have the little stripes in them. That's my favorite. I always wear my workout leggings with the socks on top and pulled up. It's something I've always done. I think I started doing it with wrestling and then I've just been doing it for years. So these are really cute for that. These I'm really nervous about. I got the joggers and the sweatshirt and I really didn't know what size to get. I did kind of scour Megan's video and I didn't hear her say what size she was. And yeah, I didn't know what to do because if there's a model in something, I kind of want to know what dress size they are and what size they're wearing because it's a really good way to kind of tell what size you should go for. So I really didn't know. I did actually buy my mum some of the tracksuit sets and I got her an extra small because she's tiny, and when she got hers out, the top did look too small for me. Like, it fits her perfectly, but it looked too small for me. But I've pulled these out and I'm kind of worried they might be big. Actually, do you know what? No, like the waist is right, but they are super baggy, although Megan did say that they do bunch up at the bottom. I mean, I'm 5'8". I got the Opoly sports leggings and they all come up to like the middle of my calf, and they weren't the 3/4 length either, so I don't know what's going on there. They do look a little bit big, so I certainly will be curious to see how these fit, although she did say the style of it is super baggy, and to be fair on the model, it is really baggy and a cozy set. They are so comfy. I mean, I know you can't feel it through the camera, but hopefully you guys can see the material. It's that really lovely soft material that goes inside jumpers. I really hope they fit. I don't know if the joggers sold out that quickly, although they'll probably be sold out by now. The final thing is the jumper, and I know it kind of looks big the way I'm holding it, but I do think a small was definitely the right call on the jumper because I saw the extra small with my mum and it looked way too small for me. I'm like a 10. It just looked way too small for me. So the jumper is really sweet. It just has the little love heart logo. I don't know how well this is focusing on the red. It looks so bright in the ring light. It does have the bow and T writing on the back, and then it's really cool because it's a crop jumper, and then it has this tighter kind of elastic at the bottom, but it doesn't seem really tight and scratchy. It seems nice and soft, which is cool. And then the cuffs just have this nice rib section on them. It's a really cute little sweatshirt. This will definitely fit. I don't know about the bottoms, but we'll see when I try it on. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe and turn on notifications for tons more hauls just like this. Overall, I think the collection is beautiful. I love the colors. The cream for me wasn't as good as the others, but I think they did it just to have like a normal color in there compared to the very vibrant pink and red. I did like a few little bits and pieces from the cream, but overall the collection was really beautiful. The only issues I had was just it is a little bit pricey. It was a bit confusing with the sizes. I really did not know what to do about sizing, and then you're under pressure because it's selling out so quickly. But that was my only issue with it. It's just knowing what size to get was quite stressful, and I really wanted this collection, so I went and did all the research to try and find out. Otherwise, I think I would have got leggings that were way too big for me. So I think that should be kind of clarified a little bit more. That's the only thing I would say. It's just, it was a bit expensive and the sizing really confused me. But I absolutely love the colors and the cuts and the shapes. It's so gorgeous. I know I'm gonna get so much use out of it with wrestling and traveling and working out. I will link down below my Body by Mariah May so you guys can check that out. I post my workout videos. I post videos all about cutting, bulking, my diets, things that I'm eating, workouts for you guys that you might enjoy. I try to make it fun and attainable for everyone. So please do check that out, and you'll probably catch me in some of the bow and tea stuff. It's such a beautiful collection. They really got me on Valentine's, like, I'll admit it. They just had me. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you all in the next video.